As you can see right there, this guy's playing. It was down $55, so now we back up to down $15. And you see a little green candle coming in. It's about to fight back, yes sir. Come into the market and basically fight. Like, when you're in the market, it's a battle, baby. You got the bears and you got the bulls. What one you gonna be? And that's one of the good things about trading, because it's a limited amount of money that you can make every single day. What's good, y'all? So y'all seeing behind the scenes right now. So we just got done recording one of our other videos that we drop in tomorrow, and tomorrow is going to be Friday though, and we just now saw a trade that's just popped up. I have high confidence behind this trade, and if this trade does go through, y'all gonna be able to see the journey of it. Basically, we got the weekly low and we dragged that to our high point for the week. And look, I'm about to go ahead and show y'all this. Oh, the market taking hard though right now. But y'all be able to see in the morning time if this trade will be profitable or if it's not. So this trade right now, this is the trade. So we down $33 right now, $45. So we might take a little bit of heat on this, but I do have high confidence in this trade. And if we do get our winner to our take profit level, if it does run up to that point, that will be $1,000. Right now we risking $300, and hopefully it does go through for us. And you know, it'll be a great way to end the week profitable. Right now we are up $400 for the week so far. And if y'all don't believe me, I'll drop that later on in this video. Hopefully it do go through for us. But as you can see right there, it's God's plan. So hopefully it's God's plan to be able to help us end the week off with a bang. But y'all will see me tomorrow, and y'all be able to see the success behind this trade or the failure behind this trade. But this is going to be a banger. I missed this part for y'all, but we do have another member right now taking the same exact trade. You can see I'm typing right here. And y'all could just read that. I'm not reading that for y'all. Let's see what he typing. Yeah, man, I see. So right now we taking some heat, y'all, right now. But it was down $55, so now we back up to down $15. And you see a little green candle coming in. Let me see if I can zoom in for y'all. And we had, so he in profit right now because I have my entry point a little bit higher than his. So yeah, he in profit right now. What are you talking about? It's about to fight back. Yes, sir. You win as well, right? But I'm going to test him back for y'all. Yes, sir. I'm in, bro. You in profit. Y'all see that? Well, we're gonna see what he say back. Then I'm done. Two contracts is allowed. Just touched up. He done test back. He done test back. Here he come. Come on, my boy. Come on, my boy. Yes, sir. We in this together. So yeah, y'all. So we in the trade right now. Hopefully it do play out for us once again. And look, this dude right here, he just joined our team probably like, it's been less than 2 months ago. And I don't know, he just make me very proud for real, because he didn't came in the game. He asked me about trading probably like 3-4 months ago. I actually got into the Discord. I've been, you know, helping him a lot, being able to just show him my strategy with him coming into the game. And he been doing his own due diligence. He's been practicing. He's been paper trading. he's been making profit while doing it. So right now, he's still in the early stage of seeing little success come in. And it's just making me so happy because I'm legit proud of this man, because he not like everybody else. He's actually locking in. He's taking initiative to come into the market and basically fight. Like, when you're in the market, it's a battle, baby. You got the bears and you got the bulls. What one you gonna be? And like I'm saying, he fighting, he doing his thing, he doing his research, he learning his strategy. He's getting real comfortable with the markets. He's starting to learn right now. And y'all can do the same exact thing and start seeing success, but y'all got to take initiative to actually come out here to these markets, to actually try to make money, learn. Like, you got to learn first. You got to take baby steps before you start running. And if you do that when you coming into the market, like, you're going to be able to be successful too. So right now, he's in a Top Step account. He's been trading on that Top Step account for less than, I think, it's been about 2 weeks now. He's been on this Top Step account for less than 2 weeks now. And I think he already got it up to, when did he put it in here? I don't think he put it in here. But he's already up in a Top Step account around $600. So starting off trading in less than 2 months, like, that's great. He paper traded first, but now he's actually getting into Top Step, learning a little bit before he start actually risking his own money. And that's why I would tell anybody to do, because you don't want to just hop in the market risking your own money, because now it's more psychology behind it. Now you stressing out. Now let's say you lose a big amount of money. Now you upset and you might not ever trade again. You start off paper trading, you start learning, then you go to a Top Step or whatever prop firm you want to use. After you use them prop firms, you learn how to trade. You actually seeing money go up and down. You get a live account. You actually starting to make money on the live account. Now you can use that live account to withdraw the money to put into your personal account. And now you can start growing your personal account same way you grew the prop firm account. Like, it's really that simple. And that's one thing that I did not have when I first started trading 3 years ago. I didn't know nothing about prop firms. So if you can take that route starting off and you start withdrawing money into your personal account and start seeing success with that, like, you doing your thing. You learning how to be a trader. Like, you doing your big one. But I didn't talk to y'all too much, man. I'm about to relax, get on the game, eat some food, and we're going to see y'all in the next part of the video. I know y'all tired of me right now, but look, this is what you call set and forget. So right now it is 8:38 right now. So it's 8:38 right now. We legit about to set, like, we done already set our trade, so now we about to forget about our trades. We're not looking at it no more. We already have our entry, we already have our stop loss set, and we already have our take profit level. So we're just going to forget about everything. We're going to relax, do what we need to do tonight to just chill, get ready for the day tomorrow. And right now, y'all, we are up a little bit of money. So we up $18 right now. And y'all seeing at first was down 50 something dollars. So now it's starting to give a little push up off that 618 level. And that's why I like to preach about Fibonacci so much. I'm not telling anybody to use Fibonacci, but like, Fibonacci works for me and it's what's been helping me. So just find out your strategy, man. You find out your strategy and you just go from there. You learn the in and out of it, and once you do that, you're going to be able to see success eventually. It might not happen right now, but if you do have a profitable strategy that you can learn and see profitability behind it in the long run, you're going to be able to make some money. So y'all just keep on doing what y'all got to do, man. Just be successful. I ain't going to lie to y'all. I'm about to play the game over here. But back to the charts, man. $60 in profit so far. Hopefully we keep on getting that push up. We'll go to the 15-minute. Let's see. Pretty little strong candle. Hopefully we can see continuation, man. Back into it. Just a little update for y'all, so y'all can see what I'm looking at for today. And I already made one video about it, but this trade was a success, as you can see. So right now we're up $412. We actually up a little bit more than that, probably around $500 so far. And this is still the setup right now. So if you watch the beginning of this video, you will see how I called everything out last night, basically for y'all. And everybody in the community, well, some people, not everybody, but they was able to get in this trade last night, and we woke up and we was in profit. So that's all I can ask for the market. And that's why it is important for y'all to, learn your strategy and do what's worked best for you. Because at the end of the day, nobody is taking a trade but you. So since you taking these trades, you are the one that's in charge of having a stop loss, taking your take profit, your entry. You're in charge of all of that. So when it comes to trading, just make sure you do what you got to do to be successful. Because every day is not the same with trading. Every day is different when it comes to trading. And that's one of the good things about trading. Because it's a limited amount of money that you can make every single day. You can lose money as well. But if you play your cards right in the long run, you're going to be able to be successful when it comes to the trading game. And right now we are just sitting in profit money. So we already moved up our stop loss. So today we are just basically bound to make profit. And also we already did take one contract. So now we do have 3 contracts running to hopefully get to our take profit level. I'm going to show y'all right here. So this is what it's looking like for today. So we are up $367 right now. And this is our full take profit right here at our 272 level. I'm going to drag this out so y'all can see the full picture. So this is what it's looking like for the day. I did call this spot out last night. Everybody in Discord has been able to eat too. Everybody's sitting in profits. So right now I'm going to go to that for y'all too. Let's see. So we have one of our members. He said trade hit his TP overnight, and he was able to make $1,000 for the day. Then, let's see. Somebody else in the community, they haven't shared their profits yet, but they did say they made $600 for the day so far. And last night we was just chopping it up, everybody. Just because I see growth in our community, and it just makes me happy to see everybody growing this with me. And I mean, that's the trade for the day. I told y'all last night, so y'all was able to see last night the trading success that, sometimes happen overnight. We was sleep when we was making money. I love that aspect when it come to trading. Not every day is going to be like that, but for the past week, I'd say, we've been getting entries overnight instead of in the daytime. And we've been having great pushes coming up from the market, over the past week at nighttime. So it's always good that you take note to be able to learn what the market is doing and what works best for your strategy. So for my strategy so far using Fibonacci, like I said, it's been working better overnight. And of course, I just want y'all to see the results and everything. So y'all don't think I'm bluffing or anything like that. But we have had a successful day. Like I already said, we did move up our stop loss. So at this point, we're just going to make profit for the day. But I'm going to show y'all the next video. We're going to do the market replay so y'all can see everything and how I was thinking coming into the market. But again, appreciate y'all, and we're going to see y'all in the next scene. All right, what's up, everyone? So we are back in the next part of the video. As y'all can see, Friday we did end off the week with a good trade that I was able to call out. And everybody was alerted to, of course, be able to get in that trade too. We did have a few people that was able to take the trade. And as a whole community in the Discord, we was able to end the week profitable. And that's the main thing, man. It's just, it just feels good being able to help others, being able to help myself to, be able to end the week profitable, because that's what it all boiled down to. And just seeing that small success adding up, it means a lot. And just seeing that small success add up, it mean a lot, because before, a few years ago, I could never see anything like this happening in my trading journey. So everything going good with trading for me. My community is building. I'm being able to help people, and just feel good to just be able to help others. And everybody listening right now, I just want y'all to know that growing 1% a day compounds over time. And if you could just grow 1% a day, it will help you drastically in the next year. I was looking at a study, and they said if you grow 1% a day, you'll grow 37% times more than what you are currently at. Because if you can grow 1% a day, being consistent, being dedicated to everything that you do, if you can continue them good habits day in and day out, your life can change so much. Because like I said, just growing that 1% a day, and it's just so much growth if you actually think about 1%. But it's 365 days in a year. So if you can just grow 1%, think about 2 years down the road where you could be. So that's why it's important for you to lock in, for you to at least try to grow 1% a day, because over time it's going to compound. It's like money. It's basically like compound interest. Same way you can put that towards yourself. And just think about growing your account 1% a day with trading at least. If you can grow your account 1% a day with trading, the compound interest over time on your account would skyrocket. And that would just open up so many more doors for you with just 1%. So it's the same thing with your life. If you can grow your good habits 1% a day, just think about where it could take you in your life. But look, we're gonna go ahead and get into the charts. And as y'all know, the other day we was talking about getting into this exact same trade. So y'all did see me actually live when I first got in the trade, and y'all didn't see when I exited the trade just because I wanted my computer at the time, so it won't really a way I could show y'all that. But it did hit our stop loss, but we did move our stop loss up to profit. I'm gonna show y'all this. So this was our profit for Friday. Our profit for Friday was $436, and our total week's profit, our week profit was $813. That was our net. And y'all can see that right there. Total P&L would be $718. And what's amazing about this is the same dude I was telling y'all about in the scene before, about how he's been doing so good with, you know, trading and everything and just being able to grow. He took the same exact trade I did, but he took 2 ES contracts instead of taking MES contracts. And y'all look at this. He was able to make $1,000. The same exact trade I took, and he took his take profit before I took mine. But it just shows you, like, that didn't work. And I am proud of him for, you know, taking this trade. It just shows a lot of growth in him, and I am proud of him for that too. I'm gonna show y'all the day that all of this happened. And like I said, I know y'all already seen, if you did look at the beginning of the video, y'all did see everything, you know, entering the trade and everything. But this was the setup I was looking for, waiting for our entry. And waiting for our entry overnight that we did get filled. And we got filled super quick on this one. And this is what I woke up to in the morning. It was up $363, and we started off the morning great. So great push up for my entry point to limit risk, moving stop loss up to profit or break even to end the week will be a good move. So y'all see that right there. We got entered. If we scroll down, y'all can see if you wanted to take the daily setup was right here, just entering on this 618. Only thing I did was get my Fibonacci tool, drag it from the day high to the night low, and we actually did get a pullback on that. And I bought one more MES contracts, because with this I only took 4 MES contracts, and we did get filled right here. You see 4 contracts for $287. And we was able to ride it up some, and we was able to take profit on 2 of those contracts on our 272 level up here. So I sold 2 contracts up there. Then when we came back down, it did stop me out right here. So as you can see, we did take our profit on the 272, and I have my other stop losses right here. So when we came back down, it took the rest of those away. But like I said, we was able to make $400 that day, 436. So that was a great trading day. That was a great way to end the week. This week we did have 2 losers trading, and those 2 losers we kept obviously under. I think my biggest one might have been 200, but all of those losses we kept very small. And our winners that we did have, we was able to make profit. So overall for the whole week, like I said, we are up $718 for the whole week, with taking out trading commission fees and everything. So we did have a great week. I'm gonna take y'all to the charts just so y'all can see this setup and see how everything just played out for us. So on Thursday, we had this setup right here. And what I was looking for, I was just looking for a pullback to my 618 level, which we did get at night. And just the beginning of the video, just showing y'all that and everything, it just felt good to actually be able to show y'all that, you know, I'm taking these trades, I'm using Fibonacci, I'm practicing what I preach. And like I said before, like, we're on 1% a day. It's just what I'm trying to do every single day. If I can grow 1% a day, I feel like I accomplished something, and I am proud of myself. So as y'all can see right there, that we did get entered on this trade. This trade was, what's this trade? So that's 12 o'clock. We got 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So this trade right here was around 8 o'clock when we got entered, and we did have a push down, as you can see in the beginning of the video too. We did have a push down, but just using Fibonacci and just hoping that this level would hold well, we was able to get a push up. Then what happened was, if we drag my Fibonacci tool from the high point to the low point, I'm gonna actually scroll this back a little bit for y'all so y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. So this was another opportunity that you could have entered. And it's this trade right here. So it's the same on a bigger picture play, but was using our night low, and this was our Thursday low. So that was our night, and this was Thursday low, which was our night low, and this was our high for the day when the market opened. And we came back down to retest that 618 level. So what I did was I sold 2 profits right here. And after I sold them 2 profits, what I did was move my stop loss to around this area right here. I'm gonna actually draw this out for you. Move my stop loss right here. And the only thing I did, I don't know what happened. The only thing I did from there, I walked away from the trade. I just let the trade play out. As you can see, and what I did on this trade, I moved my stop loss. And where I moved my stop loss at was right here. Just because, you know, I wanted to make sure I just wanted to make sure I did secure profits for this day. And what happened was we got stopped out the trade, and we had, that's basically it. So this was the end of the day, Friday, and this is Sunday's open. So right now, market does open at 6 o'clock, but that was the trade for the day. So, you know, it was a great trade, great way to end the week. And now we are walking into a new week. And hopefully what I'm looking for this week is just continuation to this 272 level. And we do have swing trades open right now to be able to take profit on that level. And if we did get a pullback, the pullback I probably would be looking for as of right now until, you know, the market changes or whatever. But let's say tomorrow the market opens up and we do get a pullback down to this 618 level, I would like to go ahead and take this 618 level and, you know, just ride it back up to my 272 level, and that would make me happy with this trade. But I appreciate everybody for tuning in. I'm glad y'all was able to see everything, you know, that was happening overnight. You know, trading so far using Fibonacci the past month, 2 months, using a market low at nighttime, a lot of movement been happening at night. So us being able to take advantage of that and seeing that opportunity, we have been able to get in these trades, take these trades, and being able to have success with it. So far this month, we have had a great month trading. Let's see if I can find it. So we have had a great month trading, and this is last month, just showing you, you know, everything. So our old profits for last month was $2,905. Our total profit would have been $4,500, but we did have losing trades for basically $1,600. So our total profit for last month was $2,905, and our winning trades was at 58%, and our losing trades was at 41%. And right here, you could just see the importance. And like I always tell y'all, that's why it's important to use good risk management, because you can see I was almost 50% positive and almost 50% negative with my trades. But being able to have good risk management was able to help me to be able to take these trades and be able to have a successful month trading. And I appreciate y'all again for just tuning in, like, commenting, subscribing to my videos. As always, let's keep on growing, 1% a day at least. Start picking up good habits, and let's end this year off with a banger. I appreciate y'all, and I love y'all as always. I hope y'all have a great week trading, and let's get into it, man.